Hello, friends. If you're like me, I woke up this morning and was like, my party's not getting much interaction, which is not completely abnormal, but I scrolled through and realized, maybe it's because most of my posts didn't go through. And I noticed a theme. The ones that didn't go through were multi-photo posts. So ones that had more than one photo. And it has, if you go into Cinchshare, it has this lovely red exclamation point, which is always just so exciting to see, with a little note explaining there's a glitch and you can post through your business page. So I am going to show you how to link that, as well as make Cinchshare allow it to post to your page anyway. So go over to Facebook. With this new upgrade that rolled out, you're going to go over to more. So this is the party, my mystery back to school party, which apparently has got some pretty good interaction already. So if you haven't thought about doing this, it's a great way to end August. Anyway, more. We're going to go over to edit group settings, scroll down, add apps. That's the first thing we need to make sure to do. We're going to find Cinchshare by searching for Cinchshare. There it is. Click it. Add. And I have added it to my page. Next, you are going to link your business page right here. Linked pages. Link your page. Glitterfied Pampered Chef, that is me. I hit link. Link page. And I'm officially now an admin. So then I can hit done. Go over to Cinchshare, Networks, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Facebook pages, Glitterfied Pampered Chef. Go to my little link group button, click it. Find the group that I just linked, which was my back to school party. Where are you? Oh, right there in front of my face. Click it, hit link, and then it has linked. Very important step that I already forgot once when I was making this video. Go down to back under your page. See, here's my Glitterfied Pampered Chef page. Under the albums at the very bottom, there's linked groups. You're going to go over and make sure to heart it or like it. Then go into your post, schedule and post, write a post, blah, 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 blah. Add your photos. I'm just going to add whatever's the first one that pops up, just so we can see. And then when we go to schedule it, you have to scroll down to your favorite pages. Here's my business page. Here's the party. And then I hit schedule post. Now, something to note about this is that when you are posting, it's now going to be posting as your linked business page. And from what I'm understanding, I think Facebook's kind of moving in that direction because they're trying to tighten up their security. So if you don't have a business page, you might want to consider getting a business page. Personally, I kind of like it because now I'm posting as my Glitterfied Pampered Chef page, which is me. And now my business is automatically put into the group and people can see that, like it, follow it, and stay in touch with me. So that's how it goes. I've been spending the last hour trying to figure this out. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me and I will do my best to answer them. Have a great day.